Good Lord, how big is that house, dude?
Make sure they don't back up.
Yeah. Alright. Oh my God. Oh shoot.
Nobody.
I don't know. Can't say.
Get ready to come over.
Yeah. Hey, watch your step too.
Oh, he just ran over the water.
Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh man. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
He knew that was him.
Yeah.
Dude just got arrested.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that on camera. Oh my God. It's crazy. It's sad.
Dude ran over the hose while it had water in it. He got arrested like right away.
Yeah, it's very dumb. Very stupid. Oh shoot. God dang.